I think this is our second meeting. I had conversation with you, right?
Yes, actually, I had a session with you before starting my channel.
Okay. Okay, so how have you been so far?
Yeah, I have been great, excellent. And what about you?
I'm also doing well, like you see.
Yeah.
So how's
So,
your
ma'am,
channel going? Mm-hmm.
yes, my channel is going on smoothly. Yes, I have started in the month of March 2024. And
Mm-hmm.
now I am just uploading conversational videos and some English content on daily basis on my channel. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm quite happy with my progress. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, wonderful. So, are you doing your like these days job, your teaching journey? How's going on? It is going well.
Yeah, it's going pretty well. I am a teacher in a school, and my subjects are GK and maths. Even I am enjoying my teaching. You can say that I am just doing my dream job because I am passionate about teaching. Yeah.
Mhm. Okay, so how you make understand if you get some confused kids, uh, any students? So how you manage? How you make them understand? What
Yes.
strategies you follow?
Yeah, actually, this is really a very nice question. Because if we talk about students, so there are many types of students. Some are average students, and some are mediocre, and some are excellent. And we need to give teaching according to their skills. Okay, those who are average,
Right.
those who don't take much interest in study, so that time we have to make the study games oriented. Okay, when we just teach them with fun, so that time they really love to learn about something. So this is the thing.
Right.
Yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful. Like I have heard, like in my kids' school, if anyone, any kids weak, like there are any weak kids, so what they are just to do, they just put them remedial class, like that class for a special student, like who is not good at study.
Yes,
So extra class, it means extra class they give for those student, weak student.
really,
So
really.
that is a good point. Yeah, remedial class for those students, they are weak, they don't know like reading something, whatever they don't know.
Reinforcement, yes.
Yeah, so they just teach them again. So that things I like loves, that's why I asked you.
Yes,
Okay.
actually, this is a part of every school because everywhere there are some students who needs extra support, extra care, and extra learning as well. Because if we
Right,
talk about a class, so every students are not of same IQ level. We have to
right.
think about each and every students individually. Yes.
Right. And if someone, some student like that particular student is weak, so you have to give extra focus on them, like talk their parents and focus particular things where it is he is and she is a weak, that thing. Yeah, they do. Even these days, school is very good. Earlier, I wasn't even I didn't get like that school, but my kids, I'm very lucky. I consider myself like these days, era change. Even
Yes.
teacher, he is studying in a government school, and even government school, teacher, they put 100%, they
Yes.
pay attention, so that
Now,
thing's very good.
yes. Nowadays, study has become child oriented, not teacher oriented only. It is all
Right,
around the child. Yes.
right.
Everything is for the child. Child
Mm.
psychology. Yeah.
Which class student you teach?
Yeah, I teach up to class fifth.
Up to fifth. Wow,
Mm.
nice. Wonderful.
Yes.
Up to five fifth, up to fifth, it means they are, adult, they are not a, a child. So
Yes.
that managing those student is uh would be easy, like kids, managing kids it's very difficult, but adult managing it is good. It
Yeah.
is easy.
Yeah. My school is an inter college. Yes,
Mhm.
but I teach maths up to class fifth and GK
Hmm.
as well. Yeah.
Okay, okay, nice. What good thing do you want to share with me, like you are a GK teacher? Just share something knowledgeable thing.
So I would share for English only, because you are quite interested in English. We are here for learning English.
We no issue anything like a GK general knowledge. It is a general knowledge. So we can know that knowledge. I wanna know something. If you feel like that is interesting and it is shareable thing, we can. If I share, so someone watch our video and they can learn something good. So you can share that thing.
Yes, sure. So I want to share the word. Actually, this word I have shared many times, but yet it is quite interesting. So that's why I'm sharing. The word is sharent.
Mhm.
Sharent. Sharent. So
Mhm.
sharent are those parents who always love to share their child's learning, to share everything about their child on social media and Instagram or Facebook. So that type of parents are called sharent.
Okay. Wow. Nice. It is sharing. Wow.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. So what type you are parents? Like you do you wanna share everything in social media or not?
Oh, I'm not a sharent. I'm saying I'm only parent. Yes.
That wonderful. So why we shouldn't, be silent? Tell me something. If we be silent, so what, uh, reduction? What we get?
Yes, actually nowadays mostly parents are sharing because they love to share each and everything about their child on Facebook, on WhatsApp status, and on Insta. They love to share about all activities of their child. Yes,
Right.
but I'm not that type of parents. Yes,
Yeah, that's wonderful. We have to say, we have to put some privacy. We should not share, everything in social media. So that's
mm,
good because AI and something is very advanced level these days. So if we want to save our kids, so we can, keep something silent. That is good.
yes.
But we know everything and still we are doing.
Yeah, actually, it is all about interest. The person who are very eager and jealous about the social media, they love to do these kind of things. Yes,
Right. Right. That's yeah, absolutely right.
yes.
Okay.
I'm here only for the sake of learning English and impart my knowledge to others.
Yeah, that's wonderful. We are like I'm also here for because I couldn't find partner and make my grow made my channel and started learning. So I'm also for this and nothing else.
Yeah,
Mhm.
that's great.
But you were asking something. You were
Yeah,
asking
I
something.
ma'am, that since how long you are just running your YouTube channel?
It's been 1 year. Yeah, it's been 1 year.
Wow, that's great.
But
It's
I
been one
started.
year and your channel
Uh,
is monetized also. Congrats.
yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's been 1 year. I started my English journey and as well as YouTube journey. Both is going.
That's great. Okay, then really it's been a good time with you, ma'am.
Yeah,
I hope we will
right.
connect again. Bye bye.
Bye. Have a nice day.